Sure. So week one, and one of the main reasons why I wanted to work with you is I have had a lot of issues with my feet in general, and got diagnosed a couple of years ago with actually a hip deformity and labral tear. So my right hip in particular, has been really painful. And as I'm a boxer, that's the main one that I push off of. So over the years, that ended up accumulating into a lot of tightness, a lot of pain, struggle breathing sometimes, and then with throughout my back a couple times. So I knew that I needed to really prioritize getting in better alignment and at least being able to brace my foot a bit more. So when week one, yeah, I mean, now I'm thinking about how my body felt. Like my ankles were always stiff from running because when would run, I would have a hard time recovering, and I just literally couldn't put my right foot back down. Lower back was always hurting, hip was always hurting. Definitely had no stability whatsoever in my right foot. My left foot was pretty limited as well.
Yeah. And where are you now today?
I'm doing a lot better today. It's actually like it works. I mean, like it works. Like I can feel that my hip is being held in a better position before so instead of constantly grinding into the part where there's the labral tear, it's actually being held and supported better by the fascia. My stability, my balance is way better. I used to always kind of fall over when I was boxing. Even though I had decent footwork, my balance wasn't always the best. I'm a lot more able to like stop on a dime. I'm much more able to move and pivot around. My punching power has increased. Like I definitely am throwing shots harder. I can feel my core and my glutes engaged when I'm boxing a lot more than my quads. Still feel like I have work to do, but I think this is like a good directional start for continuing to build on this new way of moving.
Right. Excellent. I'm so happy that you actually followed all the intricate details of this program and then finished toward the end, because not everybody can do this amount of work for 12 weeks straight. So I'm very happy. I'm very happy that you're getting this result.